the program for facing operation. I will just write down the program. I have completed my program and I will just click reset to get onto the start position of the program. So this is our program O242546, and now we will set the workpiece. What is the diameter and what is its length? So our diameter is 70 and length is 150. This you need not to set in the machine, but you need to set in the software. So our work job is of diameter 70 and length of 150. And now we will select a tool. We will select a tool and we will mount it on tool station 1. So as you can see, the tool is mounted on the tool station, but on the machine you have to do it on by yourself with your hand. Now we have to take the offset values of x and z axis. So to take that, we need to move the tool closer to our workpiece. In the machine, we just touch minimally the z or x axis and then take values. I will just show you how. So I am just going to take the z axis and axis is closer to the workpiece. So as you can see, it is just touching x and z axis, but in the machine you have to take x axis and z axis separately. Now we will go to the offset setting. Offset setting, right? You will see two options in the machine, wear and geometry. In geometry, we have to write our offset values. In x-axis, we have to write the diameter of the workpiece. So our diameter is x 70.0 and then click measure. Again to check x 70.0 measure. Now we have to take the z-axis offset. So our workpiece is of 152 mm. So here we will put z 2.0 and then click measure. Again z 2.0 and then click measure. Here the value is taken in x and z axis. Now I will just take my tool back Now we will start the program, that is run the machine in auto cycle. This is auto mode or MEM mode, and this is single block to read single line of the program. So let's start the program through cycle start. First of all, it is T0101. This is tool number 1 and offset number 1. So it is started, and again I will select this This is absolute programming. And next is the spindle rotation. You have to see the spindle rotation according to your tool and according to your job. Next is the spindle speed limit. Next is coolant. Now Z will go up till 50. Z gone up till 50. Now we'll just switch to 2D mode. Now X will go till 100. Then X will go till 75. Then it will go here, that is Z10, then Z2. Now as you can see in the program, it is now slow feed, that is Z01, because we have to cut the face with feed given. Feed is only to be given once. Now Z will move back, then X will go to 75, Z will go to 1, X will go to -1. I have not given feed here. No feed is given here, as only once is required. Now Z will move back, X 75, Z0. Z0 means here our workpiece will become length of 150 mm. Z1, Z10, now it will move away, the tool will go away, and then M09 is coolant off, M05 is spindle stop, M30 is program stop and rewind.